This line right here was extremely long, so I had to coil it down here. Had to coil it some in order to make it fit. And then down here, I had to make it fit into that rectangular block. So it comes up here and just bend it in place. Okay, I cut this in half with this cutoff wheel, and then I took my file and I removed all the burrs with my file on both pieces, and I also chamfered it a little bit at the edge here on the end, on both ends. Okay, then I'm going to take so I did take this off, this little fixture here, little fitting here, and then I'm going to put this one on over here. This one. And I'm going to cut this back in here so I can take this off and put it on here. So now I'm going to put this one on like that, and I'm going to put a union to in between these two pieces right here. What I did was I chamfered this where I cut it off, and also I made sure that there were no burrs inside of here. Okay, that looks good. Both of these are okay. Make sure that this is all the way in, this pipe. Okay, now you have to put a slight bend in this wire, in this line, and then thread this in. Okay. Now the rest of this line right here, you have to bend it so that it somewhat conforms to this other shape that is over here. And then we can put the clips on. Okay, here's a jack stand, and this I probably bought back in the 90s. It's adjustable. I had to put this pin in right here. And then you can adjust it to several different settings. This one here has 3 holes. Then I got some new ones. The reason why I bought new ones is because the old one of the old ones folded up on me. This is just very thin sheet metal on there, and these are hard to work with. It's hard to get the pin back in. Okay, this one is a little bit different. Okay, this one, it's got this lock, and if you want to unlock it, you just lift it up. I'll show you that. Basically, this just lets it up and down. So if you want to go up, you just pull it, and it sort of ratchets up to that position. I like these. These are cast iron right here. The black part. This is welded really well. This is a stronger sheet metal, a little bit thicker. But you can get some that are better than this. These cost about $39. I bought them used on Amazon. And as you can tell, they are used, but not very much. So they work really good. Just have to lift this lever up to get this back in. Okay, now we have to get these bolts out of here to get this splash guard out. This is the splash guard. I already took the other one out on the other side. So now we're taking the passenger side apart. And so you're going to just have these little bolts like that. Put them somewhere where you know where they're at. These are just sheet metal fasteners. Okay, you're going to need a screwdriver to get this out of here. Well, maybe not. Well, here you can see some of the effects of 159,000 miles. The engine, The valve covers leak right there. It's leaking all over the exhaust. It's leaking down there. Over here on this side, a little bit of the same. The belts look like they're okay. The hose looks like it's okay. Somebody took off one of the clamps part way. We're too lazy to take it off, so they used a hose clamp. The other end of it looks like it's okay, so that was probably replaced, possibly, I don't know. This is some sort of an oil sensor, I would say, and it looks okay. So basically what I'm doing over here is I'm checking these brakes out and they don't look too bad. The brake lines, yeah, that looks okay. I always put a drop or so of oil on these nuts. Helps them go on easier. Also, if you're going to torque them, which I'm going to do, it's a lot easier. Just put on one or two of them so that the tire goes on there evenly. Okay, I'm going to torque these to 30 pounds first of all. Go in a star pattern when you tighten them up. Also, I've got to use two different millimeter sockets. This one is 22, the other one is 24, and probably the correct one would be 23, but I don't have it. Okay, now I'm going to start with this one and take it up to 75.